Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be talking about the things that resigned employees are looking forward to, their back pay or separation pay. First, let us define back pay and separation pay. Well, back pay is the money you will receive after resigning from a company, while separation pay is only given to employees whose services are forcibly terminated. Well, it could be due to closure of business, cost cutting, or downsizing of employees. Another thing to remember, guys, back pay is not mandated by law, meaning not all companies provide this kind of incentive. So I highly recommend to check your contract or talk to your HR manager about this. Also, back pay computation may vary by company. While separation pay is mandated by law, as this is part of the Philippine Labor Code. Since we now fully understand the two, let us now dive into what's in your back pay. First, last salary. Second, prorated 13th month pay. Third, tax refund. Fourth, leave credits if they are convertible to cash. And five, other deductions and liabilities. Before handling that resignation letter, take note of the benefits you may receive and discuss any issues with your employer before you exit. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Goodbye!